Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to unarchive all chats on Telegram using the updated method. Let's go through the steps together. 1. Open the Telegram app on your Android device. Start by launching the Telegram application on your Android smartphone or tablet. 2. Go to the list of archived chats by swiping up. Within the Telegram app, swipe up on the screen to access the list of archived chats. 3. Tap Archived Chat. Once you have located the archived chats, tap on the Archived Chat option to view all your archived conversations. 4. Press and hold a chat, then select all archived chats. Long press on a chat to activate the selection mode, then choose the option to select all archived chats. 5. Tap the three dots at the top right. Look for the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on it to reveal additional options. 6. Select Unarchive. From the options that appear, select Unarchive to bring back all the selected archived chats to your main chat list for easy access. By following these steps, you can efficiently unarchive all chats on Telegram using your Android device. Unarchiving all chats at once allows you to quickly retrieve and access multiple conversations that you have previously archived. Thank you for watching, and enjoy unarchiving all your chats on Telegram using these simple steps.